Welcome, today in front of me VIVO X80 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off wireless power sharing on this device. So to do that, we should first launch the settings application and then scroll down to the battery section. Then scroll a little bit more down and you'll see here the reverse wireless charging. So now when we'll activate that switcher, we can with our device just charge the other devices wirelessly. So just click here, and after that you can see here that's just okay, that's all. So we should place the device that supports wireless charging on the back of our device, so the switcher will disable it automatically in 1 minute if it's not used. So tap here to OK, and after that just you can sharing with your device power wirelessly. And if you want to turn out the switcher, just click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.